Oh, it's very simple. Look, scissors cuts paper, paper covers rock. Rock crushes lizard, lizard poisons Spock. Spock smashes scissors, scissors decapitates lizard, lizard eats paper, paper disproves Spock, Spock vaporizes rock, and as it always has, rock crushes scissors.
Flying honeymoon, they say. So come fly with me, let's fly away. Oh, come on and fly.
Can you read this?
Elvish? No, I didn't even see Lord of the Rings. Never mind.
I'm wasted on cross-country. We dwarves are natural sprinters. Very dangerous over short distances.
You're gonna beat me at golf? Oh, you're on. You're in big trouble, though, pal. I eat pieces of shit like you for breakfast.
You eat pieces of shit for breakfast?
No!
It was my understanding that everyone had heard.
Heard what? Brian, don't!
Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. A bird's a word, well, a bird, bird, bird. A bird's a word, a bird, bird, bird. A bird's a word, well, a bird, bird, bird. A bird's a word, Brian, don't you know?
Pretty sure he pooped in my hand.
Which of the 7 dwarfs describes your wife in bed? Terry!
This is just to get up on the boards bashful?
Well, lately, grumpy.
Great, let's watch.
Happy!
Just because it's called happy hour happy don't mean you gotta be there.
I have to say lazy.
Lazy!
Sleepy.
It has been peaceful.
Enough! I don't want to hear any more of this.
Set you up. Hands above your head, please, miss.
Wait, why?
I didn't even see Lord of the Rings.
He will never be free.
No.
What would you have me do?
Die.
Never mind.
In this canteen is the water that will stop the dream shade that will save your life.
What is that amazing smell? Chocolate!
Chocolate? Did you say chocolate?
I've been looking for you, Mr. French.
I'll have you many next week.
Terms of the loan were fairly specific. Take the van.
Wait.
Stewie. Hey.
Hey there. So, it's been 24 hours. Got my money?
Oh, you know what? Just give me till next Friday. I'll have it for you.
Oh, that's funny. I could have sworn I said have it today.
Yeah, I don't have it. Sorry.
Oh, well, all right then.
See, here's the thing. I don't normally let people get away.
That's good, OJ. Yeah, that hurt? That hurt?
What the hell?
I'm gonna let you breathe in a second.
Where's the money?
Tell me where it is.
Stop.
Tell me where it is.
No, stop.
You got till 5 o'clock. You hear me? You got till 5 o'clock.
You freaking psychopath!
Clean yourself up.
Well, that is fascinating.
Precious. Never mind.
Truly fascinating.